Hello everyone, and I'm here today to talk about a little math discovery slash fun puzzle game we're going to play. Okay, so we've already talked about this in one of my previous videos, but we're going to do a little more practice with factoring trinomials. Okay, now when we talked about this in my previous video, we talked about how this X method we're going to use here, given trinomials, we're going to make a fun game out of it because math is fun. And we're going to find two numbers that multiply to the top and add to the bottom. So on this first page here, you have some puzzles set up for you where you're filling in the missing pieces and you're trying to find two numbers that multiply to the top one and add to the bottom. Now you might want to, if you're especially bored with coronavirus going around, you might want to time yourself and see how fast you can do this. That might be fun. Or you might want to challenge yourself against a friend, okay? But you're going to try to find two numbers that multiply to the top one here and add to the bottom. All right, so to do that, we're going to think of factors of 24. 12 and 2, that could work, but then one of them would have to be negative. I'd have to subtract 2, and that won't give me positive 24. Not going to happen. What are two others? Hopefully you've already thought of it. If not, 6 and 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and they add to 10. Bam. All right, so you're going to follow this pattern here through this page. Okay, you're going to find two things that multiply to negative 15 and add to negative 2. Well, 5 and 3 multiply to negative 15, and then I suggest you add the negative. Well, if I want negative 2, I'm not going to subtract 3. My 5 will have to be negative. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Okay, so watch for these. All right, so this page should be pretty simple on page 32. However, the fun begins when you get to the next page. Okay? And by the next page, I mean the page after that. So the next page, you're just practicing this as well. Finding two numbers and multiply to the top and add to the bottom. But the following page is where it gets interesting because they start to switch things around on you a little bit. Ooh, look down here, 16, 17, and 18. All right, now they're giving you the top number and they're giving you one of the other numbers. Okay, so they're saying what two numbers here are going to multiply to 45 and then add to something down here. Okay, so think about that for a second. Well, how do I get 45 if I have negative 9? I have to multiply by negative 5. Why negative, Miss Collin? Because it's a positive 45. Okay, so negative 9 times negative 5 is positive 45. Negative 9 minus 5 is what? Now remember, minus, so you're getting more negative. You should know that that's negative 14. Okay, fun stuff. This is where we start to challenge our mind a little bit. All right, get here to number 18. They give me one of the numbers it adds to. Negative 11 plus something is going to give me negative 6. Well, what number does that have to be? 5, right? If I'm at negative 11 and I go 5 towards 0, I'm going to be at negative 6, negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6. Okay? Then I'm going to multiply these. Well, what's negative 11 times 5? That's negative 55. Okay, so that's all you're doing on this factoring discovering activity. You're challenging your brain, and it's kind of like a fun little puzzle on these next couple of pages. So, good luck, and thank you.